Happy morning, students. Hope you are all fine. Welcome to Sheba Group online class. Let's start our class. Today our lesson topic is municipality and corporation from the subject social. Children, the structure of local bodies is divided into two types. One is rural local bodies and the other one is urban local bodies. So local bodies na ullur அமைப்பு. So our government has can't help all the urban and rural at the same time. So they have divided their local bodies into two types, rural and urban. Rural na village side, urban means city side. The father of local bodies is Lord Ripon. Father of local body is Lord Ripon. So in our today topic is municipality and corporation come under the category of urban local bodies. Urban means city side. So city sides la irukka municipality, corporations and other type our town panchayat. All together I am going to explain you in detail, children. Come on, let's move on to the first topic, municipality. So municipality has the population of 50,000 to 1 lakh people. 50,000 to 1 lakh people. The number of municipality in Tamil Nadu is 152 municipalities. How many ma? 152. The officers is commissioner and the president is called as the father of municipality. He is elected by the people directly. Then the tenure na avangaloda period evlo naal and president இருப்பாங்க அந்த பொசிஷனில் இருப்பாங்கன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5 years. ஸோ தீஸ் முனிசிபாலிட்டி ஹேவ்ஸ் சம் டியூட்டீஸ் இருக்குது. என்னென்ன டியூட்டீஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, தே ப்ரொவைட் ட்ரிங்கிங் வாட்டர் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ், டிஸ்போசிங் கார்பேஜ், providing and maintaining libraries, street lamps, parks, etc. So how they get income? இதெல்லாம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி இன்கம் கிடைக்கும்? So they get the income by the public, from the public. When the public pay the water tax, road tax, shop tax and house tax, they get the money, and the central and state government also help them with the money. So with that money they provide us drinking water facilities, creating city roads and bridges, everything. Clear, children? Any doubt in this? So let me recall again. Municipality, nagarachi. Municipality என்னன்னு சொல்வாங்கம்மா? Nagarachi. And their population in that places 50,000 to 1 lakh people. So number of municipalities in Tamil Nadu is 152 municipalities. Do you know how many districts are there in Tamil Nadu? Yes, children, there are 33 districts. And the tenure period of the president who was elected by the people directly is for 5 years. How many years, children? 5 years. And the officers who is governed by the municipality is commissioner of the municipality. And the revenue, they get the revenue from water tax, road tax, shop tax and house tax. What are their duties, children? They provide street lamps, libraries, drinking water facilities, constructing bridges and roads, removing garbages and also creating parks. So next we move on to the topic corporation. Corporation na Managarachi. So municipality which has high population and high revenue is called corporation. So municipality 50,000 to 1 lakh people தான் இருக்க முடியும். ஸோ இதை விட ஹையர் பாப்புலேஷன், ஹையர் ரெவன்யூ இருக்கிற பிளேஸை தான் நம்ம என்ன இருக்கிற மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுற பிளேஸை தான் என்ன சொல்வோம்? கார்ப்பரேஷன். வாட் வி சேமா? கார்ப்பரேஷன். Municipality which has high population and high revenue is called corporation. Here also the officers are there. IAS officers, Indian Administrative Service officers, and the mayor. Mayor is the chairperson of corporation. He is also called as the father of corporation. Children, tell me, who is the father of municipality? Yes, you are right. The president is father of municipality. Likewise, mayor is the chairperson and he was also called as the father of corporation. Again, when we come under the tenure period, tenure time, that period, they stay for that position as 5 years. And how many corporations are there in Tamil Nadu, children? There are 14 corporations. Recently, Nagarkoil was added as a 14th corporation. Okay, children? Okay. What are their duties? Their duties is also to creating parks, maintaining libraries, maintaining local markets, creating bridges and city roads, and main duty is maintaining birth and death records. Birth and death records are maintained by corporations. And how they get the income source? Income revenue எப்படி வரும் அவங்களுக்கு? They get from entertainment tax, wealth tax and custom duties. So entertainment tax na enna? When we go for a cinema or a trade fair, we pay for an entrance ticket na, that entrance amount is considered as a entertainment tax. Clear, children? Wealth tax. Wealth tax na சொத்து வரி. So நம்ம இப்போ ஏதாவது வீடுன்னா வச்சுருந்தோன்னா அந்த வீட்டுக்குன்னா நம்ம வரி கட்டுவோம், நிலம் வச்சுருந்தோன்னா நிலத்துக்கு வரி கட்டுவோம். ஸோ தே கெட் அ டேக்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் தட் வெல்த். Custom duties, வணிகர். So we are transferring goods from one place to another. Really? Yes, we are transferring. So for that purpose also we are collecting a tax. So by using these income sources, corporation is providing the public for a good facility of roads, a good facility of drinking water, etc. Clear, children? So let me recall again, children. So corporation means municipality which is highly populated and high revenue is called corporation. The officers are Indian Administrative Service officers and the mayor. Mayor is the chairperson and he was called as president. He was called as the father of corporation. He was elected by the people directly. And there are 14 corporations. Recently, which district is added, ma? Yes, Nagarkoil is added as a 14th corporation. And what is the tenure? Tenure for a corporation person 5 years, and they revenue, they get the income from entertainment tax, wealth tax and custom tax. What are their duties? They create and maintain libraries, creating parks, maintaining birth and death records, creating roads and providing drinking water facilities and disposing garbage. And our third type of urban local body is town panchayat, Nagara Panchayat. So this population exists 5,000 people. Only 5,000 people is in town panchayat. Okay, children? Idla pathing municipality how many, ma? 50,000 to 1 lakh. Corporation rather high population arko. But in town panchayat they only exist 5,000 people. How many, ma? 5,000. So the officer or executive officers is governed by town panchayat. Panchayat is governed by executive officers. And the head and the ward are directly elected by the people. Clear? Like mayor and the president I said you earlier, this head and ward is also elected by the people directly, and also the tenure period is 5 years. They get the income from the house tax. Their responsibility is to maintain the town in a very good manner. Let me recall town panchayat. The population of town panchayat exceeds 5,000 people, and the officer is executive officers. Head and ward are elected by the people directly, and the tenure period is 5 years, and the revenue they get from the public is through house tax. So let students, from this lesson you can observe that and municipality and corporation come under urban local bodies, and the urban local bodies is of three types as I told you earlier: municipality, corporation and town panchayat. So municipality, they have a populations of 50,000 to 1 lakh, corporation high population with high revenue, town panchayat exists 5,000 people. So officers of municipality is commissioner, corporation is IAS officers, mayor, town panchayat is executive officer, head and word mayor and the president of municipality are all elected directly by the people. And the number of municipality is 152, corporation is 14 corporation, and town panchayats as I told you exists only in a 5,000 people's population place. Then the tenure period for all corporation, municipality and town panchayat is just for 5 years. So the revenue from public they have from water tax, road tax, shop tax and house tax. Corporation get the revenue from entertainment tax, wealth tax and custom duties. Town panchayat from the house tax. Children, let us explain you the evaluation book page number 155. Fill in the box. They have given municipality and corporation here. Who is the president of municipality, ma? Yes, yes, children, you are right. Father of municipality is president. He was also called as father of municipality, I told you earlier. And corporation. Corporation, who is the father of corporation? Mayor is the father of corporation. And the number of municipalities 152, corporations 14, and the tenure period of their position is 5 years for municipality and corporation for 5 years. And the officers for municipality is commissioner, and for corporation is mayor and IAS officers. And the revenue for municipality is water tax, road tax and house tax. Corporation get revenue from professional tax. Children, I hope and understand that everyone understand the concept of municipality and corporation. Let me meet you in our next class, children. Until then, bye. Thank you, dears.